You work on dividing large numbers. Now, sometimes your answer will have a remainder and sometimes it won't. We're going to practice one that has a remainder and one that doesn't. And we're also going to practice doing it with the area model and the big 7. So we're going to start with 336 divided by 8 using the area model for division. So I have my box drawn and I'm going to put my 8 here and my 336 here. Then I need to think of something that I can multiply by 8 to get close to 336. I know that 8 times 4 is 32. So if I do 8 times 4, and then that's a 10, so 8 times 40 is 320. When I subtract that, I get 16. Whoops. Sorry about that. Technology. So then I'm going to pull my 16 up here. And then figure out 8 times what is 16, or close to 16. Well, 8 times 2 is exactly 16. And I have nothing else to worry about. So then I need to focus on these two numbers. If I add 40 plus 2, I get 42. And that is my answer. So 336 divided by 8 is 42. Now we'll work on the big 7. So I have 6,423 divided by 4. So I'm going to start multiplying by 4 to start making 6,423 a smaller number. If I multiply by 1,000, 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. If I subtract that out, I get 2,423. I know that 4 times 5 is 20. And if I have times 100, I get 500. Now I'm down to 423. So I see 400, so I know I can multiply by 100 to get that 400. And I'm left with 23. Earlier, I multiplied 4 times 5 because I knew that was 20. So I can do that again. I have 3 left over. 4 cannot go into 3, so that's my remainder. Now, to find my answer, I have to add up these numbers. So I have 1,000 plus 500 plus 100 plus 5. And I get 1,605, but I need to remember about my remainder. So I get 1,605 with a remainder of 3. So those are your 2 ways to work on dividing large numbers. Your area or box method of doing it, or the big 7. Those are 2 of your ways to solve these problems. Remember, sometimes they may not have a remainder, but sometimes they might.